Hello, I'm ANEKA from Made to Sew and welcome to my Sewing for Beginners series. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to thread the needle on the sewing machine using a handheld needle threader. If you haven't got a needle threader on your sewing machine and you're really struggling to thread the needle, then I recommend getting one of these cheap needle threaders. To use this, you're going to want to make sure that the needle is as high as it should be. Use the hand wheel on the right hand side of the sewing machine and turn that to make sure that your needle is at its highest point. You'll also find it easier if you lower the presser foot or even remove it, just so that you have space to use your little needle threader. And I'd recommend doing this with the sewing machine turned off. Taking your little needle threader, you're going to position that from the back to the front through the eye of the needle. You're going to want to sort of squeeze the two little bits of metal bar together so that you're creating a sharp point to thread through the needle. This bit probably is the trickiest bit of the whole process. Once you've positioned the metal part of your needle threader through the eye of the needle, you should then have a little bit of a loop in front of the needle. What you're going to do now is to take your thread and you're going to position that into the loop. Make sure that your thread isn't twisted as it comes down from the top of the needle. Then all you need to do is pull back on your needle threader, and you can keep pulling back, or you can simply remove the thread from the needle threader once you have threaded the needle. As I said, the most difficult part of this is positioning your needle threader through the eye of the needle in the first place. And sometimes it's because this is a little bit too thick for the eye of the needle that you're using. I'll pop a link below to another kind that comes in 2 different thicknesses of wire, which can be useful for that technique. As always, you would now lift your presser foot and position the thread in the middle of the presser foot towards the side or the back of the sewing machine, ready for sewing. The next step is to load your bobbin and collect the bobbin thread. If you're unsure how to do that, then follow the link here to my other tutorials. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial.